Hey, this is Matt Katcha. Thanks for tuning in. I wanted to share with you a little tip on how to tear phone books the correct way. There's a lot of ways out there to cheat, and I want to distinguish the difference between cheating and legitimately tearing a phone book. First of all, a cheating technique would be any kind of tear that begins to tear some of the pages and then migrates through the rest of the book. Another popular technique for tearing is to break the binding over the leg and then complete the tear that way, and that's breaking the binding through the glue. Another way to tear is to use a fluffing technique, which is to put air between the pages. That also makes it easier to tear, as well as using a thumb as a fulcrum and then using that lever. Again, those tears begin to tear the pages in one area and the tear migrates through. So the technique I'm going to show you tears the pages simultaneously, and it just uses a little bit of physics. So here's the trick. The trick is there's a natural fold line in the phone book. We want to use that shear line and direct all our forces on that shear line to do the tear. So you can see as I begin to move the catalog in a folding like fashion, you can begin to see a line form. I'm going to take advantage of that line by applying forces in opposite directions. So I'm going to show you upright so you get a better look at it. I'm going to start the tear up here. Normally I would complete the tear down here, use my upper body, use my core, tighten up, pull from the legs, but I'm going to start the tear up here so you can see it. So you can zoom in on it. So if you'll come in closer, I'm going to start the tear up here between my hands using that shear line. There. You'll notice that the pages tore all at once and not just a few at a time. So I can complete the tear either here, because this is not a thick phone book, all the way longitudinally. If it were a thicker phone book, like the San Diego County or the LA County, it's a much harder, much thicker, harder to hold on to. I would have to probably take it down over my knee. So X marks the spot. Now it's your turn to go impress your girlfriend or your mother or somebody. And this is Matt Katcha signing off. Thanks for watching.